Hey guys, it's Vicky with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 XLR Hyperlite 3212. So for starters, this unit does have quite a bit of storage space up front. You've got your battery disconnect up front. There is a vacuum here, and I'll show you a little bit more about that on the inside. Before we get to that, I'll show you that the unit has been gen prepped, so a generator could easily be installed. Let's take a look inside. So starting off the front of the unit in the bedroom, you've got a window right up front, shelving along with closet space on either side of the bed, and nightstands, USB ports, and plugins. And we were talking about the vacuum right here. When the vacuum is on, if you lift this up, you can sweep any dirt or debris that's on the floor directly into that. Outside the bedroom, you've got your entertainment center. So you've got a TV, some cabinetry, your radio sound bar, and a Greystone 32-inch fireplace. You've got a 3-seater recliner couch. Every one of these reclines, so you just pull the tab, and then this also folds down. This pops up, so you've got USB and a plug-in right there, and cup holders. In the kitchen, you've got your refrigerator and freezer. High point microwave. And 3-burner Furrion cooktop with a drawer to match, so you have a place to put your pots and pans. You got plenty of drawers here, tons of cabinet space, counter space, and a large single basin sink with a drying rack and a pull-down faucet. Back here you've got your bathroom, so of course you got a toilet. You're at your vanity with some storage space underneath, your medicine cabinet, towel rack, and a shower built for someone nearly 7 foot. We'll go ahead and go through the bathroom door to get to the garage. So in the garage, you've got the Happy Jack bunk system. So you've got a bed up there, along with these bench seats that do fold out into a bed, and they will also fold up onto the wall or flat and fold up just underneath the top bunk. And these tables do come out to allow you to pull anything in, such as a side-by-side or four-wheeler. On the back side of that, we've got some cabinetry, tons of lighting, and then the patio system. So you've got your screened deck system and a roll-down screen right there. Come out and see us, Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois.